Okay, we back on Project Honda. Yeah, my last video I had got the core support pulled out. I had got the front impact bar pulled, and I had pulled on this part over here that attaches to the core support. I pulled on it a little bit, but I'm gonna be cutting all that off anyway, off the donor vehicle that finally came in. So let's take a look at the donor vehicle. Oh yeah, there's all my parts. Everything that I need is on this one, and it was a flood car, as you can see. I think they picked it up 7/24 of 19, type of loss, water flood, and it's a '08 Honda Accord EXL. All right. All right, when I first got this car, man, I received it Saturday. Yeah, and it had a lot of mold in it, man. I pretty much cleaned all that up. Cleaned it all out on the inside. Removed all the mold. I didn't try to start it because I checked the oil and it had water in it, so I'm gonna drain that. Then I'm gonna put some I'm gonna fill it up with oil again and try to give it a start and see what happens. But yeah, I'm just trying to see if the motor works in it. It's a this car here, I don't think you could rebuild it because it got a destruction certificate on it, so I don't think it could be rebuilt. Which I ain't trying to rebuild it. I'm just trying to use the parts off of this for that one over there. And it has a little damage over here on the fender right here. A little minor stuff. I can repair that. That's no big problem. Yeah, that's not a big problem. So this is the donor vehicle to fix this one over here. Yep. So let's take a look under the hood, all the different stuff that I need to get off of here. I took the battery out. I charged it. It held the charge, so that's good. But like I said, I'm gonna drain the oil out of here and see if I get this engine to turn over, and if it runs, I'm probably be selling the motor and transmission out of here and parting out the rest of the body that's on here. Like I said, it got good doors on it. Doors, as you can see, tail lights, bumper, all that stuff is in pretty good condition. Pretty good condition. Pretty sure it's somebody out there that needs some parts. Tires are in good condition. As far as the interior, like door panels and stuff, yeah, that's pretty good. But like the seats, yeah, I wouldn't even mess with those. But yeah, pull this dipstick out. Let y'all get a look at it. See how milky it is. See how milky that is? Ugh. Oh yeah. It needs to be changed. Evidently somebody started it when they had that in for it to look like that. But I'm gonna drain it out. But yeah, I'm gonna need all this. I'm gonna need the radiator, the fans, the condenser, core support, all these plastic pieces right here. All that stuff was missing on mine. Well, missing on the other one that I'm gonna be repairing. So I think this is a pretty good donor car. As you can see, like I said, once again, it is a flood car. I don't know if it was in salt water or if it was in fresh water, but mostly with salt water, it'd be a lot of rust on this thing, depending on how long it's set in salt water. And they had a flood line on it. Let me show you the flood line. Well, the water line, should I say. Let's take a look in the door here. See the water line right there? So being with that water line right there, I leveled the camera. You could see the water was over the seats. So it didn't reach like the airbags or nothing like that. So somebody need airbags. Hey, I think these are pretty good in this car. That'd be okay. Yeah, look at those tires, man. It's a good set of tires, and they meted up. Oh yeah. But yeah, man. This is the donor vehicle, as y'all can see. I would love to be able to repair this one, man, and just keep all the parts on here and just fix the little dings that it have on it and roll with this one, and find another one that's probably hitting the back or something to repair my the white one over here. But it's all good. I'm just gonna roll with this one, man. So if you like the video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And I'm gone, man.